Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your source. Shoot at 60 to 120 FPS so VN can slow footage without ghosting. Once clips are imported, set project frame rate to 30 or 24 to define target speed. Make sure exposure and white balance are locked so color shifts don't appear when slowing. Next, trim to the moment you'll slow and avoid heavy digital zoom before speed changes. This preserves detail. Finally, group similar speed clips so you can apply the same slow settings quickly. Open VN Speed Editor and reduce clip speed to your target percent or set target FPS. For example, drop 50% for half speed. Once done, switch on frame interpolation or optical flow if VN offers it. This creates intermediate frames and smooths motion. Make small adjustments to interpolation strength. Too much makes artifacts, too little looks choppy. If available, add subtle motion blur to mask any remaining stutter. Also, preview at full resolution to verify smoothness and tweak until natural. After smoothing, play the full clip to check for temporal artifacts and edge warping. If satisfied, set export frame rate equal to your project target, don't upsample or downsample unnecessarily, and choose a high bitrate and matching color profile to avoid compression stutter. Once done, export a short test file and review on the target playback device. If jitter persists, reduce speed a bit, rerun interpolation, or reshoot at a higher FPS and repeat. That single troubleshooting step fixes most stubborn issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.